Okay, I'm going to show you how to fix your Sony eReader PRS T1 or PRS T2 when you're having battery problems that cause it to turn off and not hold charge. Firstly, you need to open the reader. I have these tools, which is a cell phone repair kit, but a small flat head screwdriver or a knife will do. This is easiest if you pry into the top corner first and get that open. Just work your way along. As you can see, it's slowly opening. Once you have the top edge open, you can then work down along the sides. Once you have it open on one side, careful as we get to the end. Once you have it fully loose, it'll just slide down enough and we get to see inside. Now, the piece that is faulty is the heat capacitor, which is on the battery. You want to carefully lift up the battery. It is slightly stuck to the board. With double-sided tape. And you'll need to fold the circuit board away gently. And as you can see here, this is the wire that I have added just bypass the overheat capacitor that causes it to turn off. I'll put some photos of this so it's a bit more obvious. My camera skills aren't very good, but you want to basically go from the negative black wire that comes from the circuit board to the negative terminal on the battery, which will override this chip here, which is the heat override capacitor causing the PRS T1 or T2 to turn off and no longer charge properly. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.